And I'm Colleen. If your tween is heading into middle school for the very first time this year, I want you to know something. That nervous, panicky feeling you might be experiencing, you are not the only one carrying it. Most of these tweens are about to walk into a building they've never seen except for maybe on a visit once or twice. They will meet 6 or 7 new teachers, hundreds of new faces of other kids their age, and they might even have a locker that they have no idea how to open. That is a lot for an 11 or 12-year-old, and honestly, it's a lot for us adults too. But here's the great news. None of that has to feel like a total mystery on day one. That's exactly why I built this workshop, Mastering Middle School. After spending 25 years working in a middle school as a teacher and as an administrator, I've distilled all those important things that I've learned along the way into a 90-minute workshop where you will leave with hands-on tools that really make a difference in your overall success of middle school. Like I said, workshop. This isn't me lecturing at you while your soon-to-be middle schooler zones out. This is a real hands-on workshop where you and your tween will sit down together and actually build the stuff they'll need before they ever walk through those doors. There's locker plans, a homework system that actually works, and it makes sense. A simple way to talk about the hard stuff when it comes up, and so much more. By the time we're done, that scary, unknown version of middle school in their head gets replaced with something they actually feel ready for. And this goes for every kind of kid. The list makers, the daydreamers, the athletes, the kids whose brains just work a little differently. Everybody will walk out with something that fits them. I have 2 in-person dates coming up here in Colorado, one in Englewood and one in Parker. And if it works better for your family, there is a virtual option. You'll see all 3 listed below. Let's turn that back-to-school panic into back-to-school confidence together.